It's definitely raining.
Hey. Take me over. Lobster here. Mothra. They're free.
You're looking for an explanation. I think I need a long vacation. Need a vacation. I think I've earned my ration. I'm not complaining, I'm just explaining. You see, it's always raining on my street. Like a job where you get no money. It's like a joke, but it's not that funny. Not that funny. So why you laughing, honey? I'm not complaining, I'm just explaining. You see, it's always raining on my street. Think I need you, but I won't shout about it. So what you think now? Now you found out about it. I wanna love you, I won't shove you now. She's out about it. Whoa. Scott, remember the next stop line?
No.
No. I'm thinking I could be your fella. I'm thinking you need my umbrella. Think it's amore. Sing Fade Capella. You got what it takes to dry all the lakes that are always raining on my street. I'm not complaining, I'm just explaining. You see, it's